Okay, hello there Farm Beauty, it's your girl EuniyceMari here. How are you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing amazing. Today we are going to be talking about the beauty benefits of chamomile. If you have missed my previous video talking all about the calendula flower and all of the beauty benefits that come with that, I'll leave a link above and down below. Make sure you go and check out that, what do I call it, the healing plant or the healing flower. It's a really great flower to add into your regimen or into your teas. You know, it has really great benefits for you, so go check that video out. Also, you guys, I do have a new computer, so we're going to be back to editing videos the way that I had before. Thank you so much for you guys' patience and for your support. I appreciate it. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and take a moment to subscribe, thumbs up this video, share me with the world, all of that. We are almost at 10K subscribers, so let's get there. Let's go ahead now and let's talk all about chamomile. Now, chamomile is one of my favorite herbs. I love chamomile. It smells delicious and it has so many great benefits for you. So this is chamomile. I have it in here for you guys so I can show you. It looks like this. Now it's dried, of course, so this is just dried chamomile. Look at that, right? And it smells, I can't even really explain the scent to you. It has a little bit of a sweetness, but it has a very, oh, I can't really explain it. Like, you just have to smell it. Like, you can smell the sweetness to it. Like, there's a nice sweetness to it, but it's like something else in there. I can't really explain it. I'm not the best at explaining a lot of scents. So yeah. All right, so let's get into what is chamomile. So chamomile is a daisy-like plant. I will actually insert a picture here of what it looks like. Of course, not dried out, but in its actual like live plant form. It is a daisy-like plant. And some of the benefits for skin is that it's anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, and it helps to heal the skin. For hair, it also helps with dandruff. It helps to alleviate itchy, dry scalp. It makes the hair shinier. And one thing that I learned is that it also naturally lightens the hair, which was a shocker for me because I've never heard of chamomile actually lightening the hair. I've always heard of chamomile being a soothing plant, so it's very soothing for the skin. So if you have sensitive skin or if you have any irritants on your skin like acne, eczema, you know, chamomile is great for soothing the skin and healing the skin. So how you would use chamomile is that you can use it to infuse oils. Now, you guys know I love infusing oils. I do it all the time. I actually have a chamomile infused oil on my Etsy shop. I'll actually insert a picture here of me doing the chamomile. I think I took a picture of it. I infused, oh no, it wasn't oil, I'm sorry, it was witch hazel. So I infused witch hazel with chamomile, and I loved it. That's actually one of my products on my Etsy shop, is that I use it to infuse witch hazel, which is really great. You can use it on your face every day as a toner. Infused oil, you can sit into some oil. You guys know I love doing oils. You can use coconut oil, you can use jojoba oil, and you can just infuse it in a jar like so. This is actually frankincense in here, but you can infuse it in a jar like this and let it sit for like a week or so, and you will see and when you use it on your face or on your skin or on little spots that you have issues, it smells delicious and it's very calming for the skin. You can place it in your baths. So for that last video that I did talking about bath salts or how to DIY your own bath salts or your own bath soak, if you haven't seen it, I will leave a link above down below. You can actually put chamomile. It's really great to put inside of your bath soaks, inside of your Epsom salts. You could also just take this raw and sprinkle it into your bath to add a very soothing you know, effect to your bath. Also, you can add it to your lotions, you can add it to butters, you can you know, just chamomile breaks up very easily. So for example, if like I take a piece, I'm just going to show you guys in hand. So if I take a whole piece like this and I just crumble it, it breaks up very easily. So chamomile is very easy, I feel, to work with because it breaks up so easily. So you can do that and add it to, of course, your lotions. You can do it and add it to your body butters. It's just very easy to blend or to break down to put into things, okay? Also, you can do a tea. So you can make a chamomile tea. You can sip it. Chamomiles are also great that way. And I have something here that I want to share with you guys. This is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea and Chamomile and Argan Baby Oil. You guys know this is one of my favorite products, and this has chamomile in it, and it smells amazing. It's very gentle on the skin, but it's just an example to show you guys, you know, how chamomile can be put into lotions. It can be put into body butters as well to have an extra boosting effect for your bath care or your body products. So let's talk about the chamomile in which I am currently using right now. I will link this down below for you guys. This is the Nature's Restore Organic Chamomile Whole Flower. It is USDA organic. You guys, I don't think I said this in my last couple of videos, but it is very important for me to try to find an organic herb, okay? If it's not organic, I don't look at it twice. I really want it to be organic and to be wholesome so that I can get the best nutrients out of it. If it has pesticides and all that other gunk on it, it takes away from the wholeness of the flower or the wholeness of the herb, okay? So you want to make sure, I suggest to go for organic herbs when you buy them, okay? So on the back it just says USD certified organic chamomile whole flower. They also tell you here on ways you can use it and the benefits of the flower, which is always great. So yeah, and it's vegan, it's third tested party, non-GMO, good manufacturer, certified, and all of that. So it's a very great brand, and you get a lot in here. This is a 4 ounce. What? This looks bigger than a 4 ounce. I'd say this is a 4 ounce bag, but I don't know, I thought it was a little bit bigger. But anyway, so yes, I will leave links down below to the chamomile in which I currently use, and I found it off of Amazon, so you can find, you know, anywhere. But I think it's very important to make sure you find an organic source of chamomile. So with that being said, you guys, that is all about chamomile and its great benefits for your skin, your hair, what it is, and how to use it. It's so endless. You can go so many different ways when you have herbs in your arsenal of beauty products. You can just take a moment to make an oil, set it to the side for a week, and then you have a soothing chamomile oil for anything that you possibly need. The shelf life on herbs are pretty long as well. You can pretty much get away, I think, a year shelf life with herbs, but after a year I definitely say chuck them. But if you're using them consistently, they won't last a year. I'm gonna tell you that right now. But there are so many different ways you can throw herbs into your regimen and just take that extra time out to put together your little concoctions and all that. I definitely want to do more DIYs using herbs and the whole herbs and just really showing you guys how it is done. If you guys have any special requests for body oils, body butters, using any specific herbs, let me know down below, and those are some DIYs that I can put together, because you guys know I love DIYing natural products and all of that. So yeah, also you guys, so my shop is currently being under construction right now. It is not open. I am going to be removing some products and I'm going to be adding some new products, which I am so excited about. So we'll be open shortly. Stay tuned for that. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.